let's see how to change the page color of a single page in Microsoft Word. First, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready that has 4 pages. Now, to change the page color, we can head over to the Design tab, and you can see right here on the top right, you have an option to change the page color. And you can see that there are a lot of theme colors right here. And when you hover among it, you'll see that all of the pages change their colors. However, unfortunately, Microsoft does not have the option to change the page color of only a single page. But there's one thing we can do to do that. First, go over to the Shape section and click on the rectangle. For example, we would like to change the page color of this page. Simply adjust your rectangle, place it at the corner of the page, and make sure that its dimensions cover the entire page. Click on Shape Outline, click on No Outline, click on Shape Fill, also click on the color that you want it to, and then right-click on your shape and click on Wrap Text. Right here, select Behind Text. And you'll see that the page has now changed its color and is different from the other pages. And that is how you change the page color of a single page in Microsoft Word. See you soon!